Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna cover 8 top reasons why you should start your own YouTube channel. Now, if I go through these 8 reasons and you're still on the fence whether to start a YouTube channel, then I think I'm just gonna go ahead and give up and say that it's never going to happen. But hopefully this will inspire you to take that first step, create a channel and start uploading videos yourself. So with that said, let's get into reason number 1. So the reason number 1 to start your own channel is that you become a producer instead of just a consumer. And what this does is that instead of having your phone buzzing, alerting you of when other people share their opinions and content online, you become that person. It's time to make yourself heard. Share your voice and share your opinions and perspectives on different topics that you enjoy, and that is how you create your content online. You're the boss and no one can tell you how you create your videos. It's totally 100% up to you. So instead of only being a consumer of what other people create your own content and become a producer. And that brings me to my second point. So reason number 2 for creating your own channel is that you get to explore and show off your creative side. I do know that creative work can sometimes be personal. You might not always feel like sharing it, but I'm telling you, you should always share your work online because you never know who you might inspire. So always share your work and don't be afraid of putting it out there. And when you do this, keep in mind to focus on the positive. I know this is social media and there's always going to be negative people out there. And unfortunately, our brain is wired so that we focus more on that one negative comment when we have 100 other positive ones. So create a channel, share your creative work, and that reason alone to me would be a reason to start your own channel. Alright, reason number 3 is personal growth. This is one of my favorites. When you start a YouTube channel, you might not have any ideas how to do things. So what am I talking about here? Well, when you start a channel, you need to be able to wear many hats. You're a videographer, you're a photographer, you're an editor, writer, project manager, content creator, etc., etc. And this will require you to grow your skill set, and this is always a good thing. Never stop learning and never stop growing, because that's what makes life in general exciting. If you're not growing, you're dying, and that is 100% true. So make your own channel and treat it as your own personal development project. Not only will you learn new things only on the technical side, you will also learn to be disciplined if you stick to an upload schedule, and this discipline will automatically create habits for you that you can apply anywhere else in life. Alright, so reason number 4 to create your own YouTube channel is that you get to work with brands. Now, one of the cool things you start to notice when you're starting to grow your YouTube channel is that brands will actually reach out to you and ask you for collaborations. You have an audience that they are interested in, and they have a product that they know that your audience is interested in, and boom, we have a match. Now, I know what you're thinking. You might think that you need millions of subscribers to be able to do this, but that is not true. I know of channels that have gotten free products and even sponsored videos with less than 5,000 subscribers. What really matters here is how targeted your audience is. So if it's a very specific niche you're making videos in, the more likely it is that brands will reach out to you that are in that specific niche themselves. For example, you might have a channel about baseball hats or USB microphones, and that's all you do videos on. Then chances are baseball hat companies or USB microphone companies might reach out to you to review their products or sponsor a video, even though you don't have a massive following. But the key here, as I said, is you have a very specific audience that is targeted to that product. Reason number 5 is introducing your brand. Think about this. What better way to introduce your business or services or what you do in your business than to create how-to videos, tutorials, and maybe even before and after pictures of what it is you do. You can even put in customer reviews and interview customers about their experience with your business or company. For example, myself, I teach design sketching online. So what I do on my YouTube channel is I create sketching tutorials on how to sketch cars and products. And then if someone wants to dig even deeper and learn even more, I always link to my 11-hour full design sketching course, from sketching anything from cars to products to vacuums to whatever you like, because if they enjoyed the free tutorial, chances are that they might be interested in your paid services. And if you want to check out how my course looks like, you can check it out by clicking the link below in the description. Reason number 6. Now we're getting into the green here, and that is make money. I mean, who doesn't want to make or earn more money? And that's exactly what you can do with YouTube. Because think about it, no matter what your goal is, it can be rescuing kittens like we do here. It can be buying a car. It can be just simply growing your YouTube channel. You're going to execute more effectively on that goal when you have the funds to do so. So with YouTube, I'm sure you know there are several ways you can earn money. First of all, you have the Google AdSense, which is the ads that you see in each video that's watched on YouTube. Then you have sponsorships, and you can be selling your own course or your own product. And then you have merchandise where you can sell t-shirts through your YouTube channel. And as I mentioned before, you really don't need a massive following to start making money with your YouTube channel. You can even start making money before you get monetized on your channel if you do it correctly and if you have the right type of audience for whatever product you're selling. All right, reason number 7 is make an impact. So what exactly do I mean by that? Well, you never really know who exactly is watching your videos and how your videos may impact their life. You might put out a video that to you doesn't seem like any special video, doesn't have any special importance to you, but it might inspire someone on the other side of the world to take that first step, to do whatever it is you're doing in your videos, create that first video, write that first blog post, or even start that first online business. So don't underestimate the power of you putting out your opinions and your experiences on certain things, because you never really know how that may impact someone else's life. Alright guys, we're at the last reason, and that is one of the best reasons to start a YouTube channel in general, and that is it's a free service. So think about this. YouTube allows you to start your own online business with zero upfront costs. And on top of that, you have the potential to grow this business to as high or as big as you want it to be. So really, how crazy is that? It's so easy to start a business today. All that's required from you is really time and effort. If you put those two things in over a certain period of time, there is almost a guaranteed rate of success if you just stick to a schedule and discipline yourself to do this and not expect any major results in the early stages of building your YouTube channel. So guys, YouTube is 100% free. There's nothing stopping you from creating your channel today, and I would encourage you to get started right now after watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed these kind of videos, you might enjoy the other videos that are created on this channel, which you can check out below in the description, or just browse around my channel right here. I'm the Sketch Monkey, and I will see you in the next video.